Your succulent was thriving, its leaves plump and perfect, until suddenly things went downhill. Now it's squishy, discolored, or just plain sad. Sound familiar? Something suspicious is going on, and it's not just bad luck. Let's uncover the 6 silent killers of succulents and how you can stop them before it's too late. Number 1. Aloe turning to mush. It could be overwatering. If your aloe or jade feels soft, squishy, or translucent, you're likely loving it a little too much with water. Overwatering is the most common succulent crime, and it sneaks up fast. To fix it, stop watering immediately and let the soil dry out completely before the next drink. Trim off any mushy leaves, you might just save the rest. Number 2. Is your jade plant collapsing at the roots? Root rot may be the culprit. Severe overwatering causes roots to rot from the inside out. Gently remove the plant from its pot and inspect the roots. Black, mushy ones have to go. Cut them off with clean shears and replant in fresh, fast-draining soil. Terracotta pots are your ally here. They dry out faster and help prevent this mess in the future. Number 3. Is your echeveria wrinkled like a raisin? It might be underwatered. Not watering enough can also kill your succulent, especially in hot, dry conditions. If the leaves are dry, shriveled, or brittle, give the plant a deep drink. You can even try bottom watering to rehydrate from the roots up, but remember, let the soil dry before the next round. Succulents love balance. Number 4. Is your haworthia looking dull and stretched? It could be starved for light. Succulents that don't get enough light will grow leggy, pale, and lose their vibrant color. If your plant looks like it's reaching for something, it's probably light. Move it near a bright window, preferably south or west facing. No sun, no problem. A grow light can do wonders. Number 5. Seeing burnt patches on your bear paw or snake plant. Too much sun might be the issue. Yes, sunlight is great, but not all succulents can handle the heat. If you notice tan or brown scorch marks, especially on sensitive varieties, your plant may be sunburned. Move it to a spot with gentler light, like an east-facing window, or pull it back a few feet from harsh rays. Number 6. Are you spotting white fuzz or sticky spots on your mistletoe cactus? That's not normal. Those are pests. Mealybugs, spider mites, and fungus gnats can silently invade your succulents. Look closely. White cottony spots, brown crusts, or tiny bugs hovering around the soil mean trouble. Dab them off with rubbing alcohol, rinse with insecticidal soap, and act fast. Left unchecked, these invaders can bring down even the toughest plant. Don't let your succulents die a slow, silent death. With the right care and a bit of detective work, you can bring them back from the brink. If this helped you spot the danger signs, hit the like button and subscribe for more plant-saving tips. Your succulents will thank you.